Hey Scar Squad, welcome back. Today I'm going to be opening this giant purple surprise egg. So let's just get right into it. Okay, so it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 surprises. What should I open first? Let's open this one first. Move these all off to the side. And let's open it. So this is a Ryan Will Stackums. Let's open it. Oh, we got a blue one. Let's see. It looks like a pirate. No checklist and the one on the back. I think you meant to. So see how there's like a groove here? You stack that on another person's head. And they stack, and you can make it really big, which is why they also have a notch on the top. Okay. Moving on to this. Teeny Genies. I just hit my funny bone. Not funny. Don't comment on Instagram. Scarlett's funny bone is funny when she hits it. Don't comment that. Okay. Let's just get this open. Oh gosh. Okay. Scissors to the rescue. And we cut. And rip. If we can. Here we go. Okay, did that. Nope. Oh wait. There we go. Let's open it. See what we've got. Ooh, it's a girl holding a lollipop. She's got purple hair. She's really pretty. Okay. Next, let's open this. It's a Cars like suction cup. Let's open it. If I can. Do not do this without parental supervision. There we go. Got it. Okay, so let's open it. See what we got. Looks like we got Mac. Chuck. Let's see, but I think this is like a rare or something, because it's like a shiny one. And you can suction cup it into place. And there's this black thing. And now, it's sticking to the table. I don't know if you can see, but it's right there on the checklist. Don't know if you can see. Okay, next let's open this and then this. So this is a DC superheroes. Egg, and there's 12 of them. Well, this egg clearly doesn't like opening. There we go. We got Robin. Okay, let's make a nice cut. We got Robin. Looks really cool. Just move the troubles. Okay, let's open this up. And it looks like Robin. So guys, this is Robin, but on the checklist it says his name is Damian Wayne. But we all know it's Robin. Look, it's got the Robin logo and everything. So it's Robin. Okay. Next will be this troll thing. Let's open it. expect it to be that big. His hair was stuck. Bits into. So this one looks like it's the music one. Has like a music note on it. It's orange. And it's got blue and purple hair. It's creepy. I'll tell you that much. Creepy. Okay, finally is this dinosaur. So let's open our dinosaur up. So it looks like we've got a... Okay, so it looks like we've got... I don't know if you'll be able to see it. But it's the one... I'll come closer so you guys can see. It's that one. That's the one I've got. Right. See this one? That blue one. That's the one I've got. And yeah, it's a really cute dinosaur. I do not know the name of it, so don't ask me. Look at it. This is just the tail alone. So curvy. It's also got this red bit. I like it a lot. Well guys, that's the end of the video today. Hope you liked it. If you did, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a new video. Bye guys!